What are fixed and variable costs? Let's find out with the help of Don Macaron and Company. Fixed costs are expenses that stay the same, no matter how much pasta you produce. Make 1,000 tons or zero, you still pay them. These include factory rent, salaries, electricity, equipment depreciation, and security. Even if nothing gets made today, you still pay your staff, keep the lights on, and guard the gate. That's the nature of fixed costs. Now let's talk about variable costs. These change depending on how much you produce. More pasta means more ingredients, more packaging, and more shipping. Examples: flour, eggs, boxes, vacuum film, delivery fees. So, what's the difference? Fixed costs, flat and stable. Variable costs go up with production. Simple. Let's take an example. Say Don Macaron pays $5,000 in fixed costs per month and 60 cents in variable costs per package. That's 25 cents for ingredients, 20 cents for packaging, and 15 cents for delivery. So, total cost equals fixed plus variable times units. Why does it matter? Because to stay profitable, Don Macaron needs to make and sell enough pasta to cover both types of costs. That's called the break-even point. So let's sum it up. Fixed costs stay the same. Variable costs grow with production. Know the difference, and you're already halfway to profit. Want more videos like this? Subscribe to our channel.